today is Monday or Tuesday. I don't know what. And it's going to be the first day back from break, so I'll call it a wake up and catch up day. We're all kind of in a different place depending on what we did before we left. If we were absent, if we were late missed assignments. So this is kind of our time to get caught up with everybody. So you'll need to look into the classroom and see what you need to work on. A lot of us finished the rock cycle game, the chart that looked like that, which I'll show in a second. And now we're working on the comic that goes with it. Okay? Some of us got through both of those, or at least fairly far along in our comic. And if we finish that, your class we can start our ed puzzles. We had the old ones going on that need to get done. But I assigned 2 new ones, but they're not due until Thursday. Or, your B-Day Friday. So those are not as important. Your rock cycle game components will be the first grade needs, so you make sure you do it well one time. Then you can start the ed puzzles that are Thursday and Friday, after A or B-Day. On ed puzzle, before break, we started Journey to the Cemetery. It is there. I'm not as worried about the due date. I would love to finish it. I guess there are questions, but don't just answer questions. I want you to watch it, so if I reference something, you'll know what I'm talking about. And if they talk about one of the minerals or one of the rocks that we'll be working with, that you will have seen it already. Okay. So with the rock cycle game, you can watch the video from the board to look at it. Here's the real quick version. The instructions are here. Okay. If you're able to print, great. You can print off this chart. If not, just type your answers here. You're going to take 15 turns at this game. So you have a 6-sided dice, so regular singular dice. If you don't, right here, this virtual dice roll, you can click on that. Actually, opens up a Google and change to whatever kind of dice you want. But it rolls it for you. For the next roll, there you go. But you can pick where you start to see where it's a starting station. So let's say I'm just going to start with clouds station. So start with clouds, just it's the first slide. Okay, but you can pick whatever one you want. Just type it where it's at starting station. When I roll that dice and I had a 1, okay, 1 means it rained, then I'm going to go to the ocean. So here, I would type in 1. That's okay. Type in the 1. There's what was fine. Rain. And then go to ocean. In this last column, this is rock type form. So I'm going to look at the processes. Remember, I have my notes in my science notebook that tell me what are metamorphic rocks, what are igneous rocks, what are sedimentary rocks. First day back. You're looking for things like if it's weathering, erosion, deposition, sedimentation, sedimentary. About melting and cooling of lava or magma, igneous. Heat and pressure, metamorphic. And this is a small box. You can just write the capital letter like M-I-S. You fill this out. Okay, so I would type in, if it's this, I know that has to be weathering and erosion, so I know it has to be sedimentary. Okay, but it said go to ocean. Alright, so I'm going to go to ocean. Look, there's ocean. Okay, I'm going to roll the dice again. So roll. This time I get a 4. Right? So I look at 4, and it says dust evaporates with water, go to clouds. Okay, so this still has to do with weathering. Right, so I'm going to fill in my chart. I got 4, dust evaporates with water, go to clouds. And since it's still weathering and erosion, I'm still sedimentary, so I put an S. So I fill in this entire chart. All 15 times. Alright, once I have done all 15 turns, I'm going to turn that into a comic strip, a 15-panel comic strip. Okay, so here are your instructions on slide 11. And that's really what we're working on in class today. We should already have our game done or started. Now, it needs to be in color, any captions is necessary. So if you can print, great, you can print off this one slide. If not, just get a sheet of paper and turn it into 15, right? So make 3 columns and 5 rows. 15 boxes, and this first box will go in my first row, and I'll show you some examples in just 1 second. You will attach this, like let's say I have to have a independent paper, I'll take a picture of it, And when I go to turn my assignment, just below it, it'll say, I have a little plus sign that says add attachment. You'll attach the picture. This should not be the first time this year that you're attaching a picture to your assignments. Okay, so if you have a question, let me know. So this, there we go. So here's some examples. And you can kind of personify your rock, etc. Alright, so this case is me, Rocky. Today, I'm sorry, me, Rocky. Rocky is an ordinary rock, trying to figure out who he really is. Okay, where that came from. This person started in Earth's interior. They rolled a 1. The tectonic plates moved and they went to a volcano. Okay, right here they should have an iron. And they worked their way through. Right, or here, they started in the clouds and it rained and they went to the ocean. So you can see, oh, there it goes. Rocky turning against the rain and he shows up on the beach. And his job put him under a lot of pressure, yet he was happy. So see how they kind of personified their rock and gave them a story. Okay, some of you go more minimalist. Okay, some real pretty coloring. And notice there's not as much dialogue. That's up to you. You can really show a picture of what you're doing. That's great. So obviously something's going on. Rain, moving around down the ocean, somehow ends up in the Earth's interior. Well, it's not hard to see because they're each there. Right, but that type of thing. It gave me some creativity. Remember, I'm going to be like, 360 days, entertaining. So use your imagination. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or a message on Classroom. Welcome to join the podcast. Love you back.